Hello, Orange Math folks. So today we are multiplying, and we've done this throughout the year, but this will just be a good chance for us to practice. So we're multiplying by bigger numbers than we have. Okay, it's not going to be 3 times 4, but it's going to be using the exact same principles as 3 times 4. Okay, so the example that our worksheet gives us is 5 times 30. 5 times 30. Okay, there are 2 ways to do this. And I will do what I think is the easy way first. So whenever we see we're multiplying by a number that ends in 0, all we need to do is count our zeros. So how many zeros do you see there? Yeah, just one. So we're going to put 1 0 down below. And then I like to cross out my zeros so it doesn't confuse me. So I crossed out my 0, put my 0 down there. And what's 5 times 3? 15. Whoops, that was bad writing by me. I don't know what I was doing. All right, so it would be 150. That's it. All right, that's really easy. The other way works exactly the same. We're just not using the zeros trick. So we always start on the right side when we multiply. Right is right. 5 times 0 is 0. And then we've done 5 times 0, so now it's time to do 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. That would be 150, right? You can use whichever way you like, and it's totally up to you. But let's practice a couple more together, all right? Let's say that we have 5 times 300. Now how many zeros do I have? Yeah, I got 2. So I'm going to drop my 2 zeros down, 1, 2, and I'll cross them out. And 5 times 3 is 15. So 1,500. All right. What if, let's get really crazy now. We've got 5,000 times 3,000. Right, that looks like that should be really hard, right? Like how big those numbers are. But all we gotta do is count our zeros. So on the top, we've got 1, 2, 3. And on the bottom, 4, 5, 6. So I need to put down 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'll cross them all out because I got them all. And now I'm left with 5 times 3. And 5 times 3 is 15. So that would be 15 million. Awesome. So that's all you're doing for today. Okay. I would recommend that you use the crossing out your zeros method. But if you want to use the right is right method, then you can absolutely do that. The only time we couldn't would be if we have something like this. If we've got 60 times 30. Because we can't just do 6 times 3 and 0 times 0. That wouldn't work. Okay. So if we've got more than one number on the top, then we have to do our cross out 0 number for today. Or cross out 0 method for today. All right, so count our zeros. We've got 1, 2. 1, 2. Cross out. And 6 times 3 is, well, I know 5 times 3 is 15. So I need one more 3. So 6 times 3 would be 18. So we would be left with 1,800 or 1,800. All right. So that's all it is for the front and the back. And this is our last chapter of new math stuff. So I believe that we will finish this chapter next week, and then it will be review. Okay. So if your parents or guardians notice anything that you're having a hard time with, that we should review, have them contact me, so that I can put those into their packets. Okay. I've noticed some stuff from throughout the year, that you all need to practice. So I have some stuff that I can put for you to practice. But if they see anything new, that maybe I've missed, please have them let me know so that I can put it in new packets. And I think we only have maybe 4 new packets after this. We're getting towards the end. All right. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.